new series of 100,000 Whys. In this series, you'll find answers to all of the questions you may have. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, add this playlist to your account, and share this video and playlist with your friends and family first, so you can stop worrying and focus on being kids together. You will grow up naturally. We hope you enjoy.
欢迎来到时尚高潮的新10万个为什么英文系列。在这个系列里，我们会为你心中的所有疑问做解答，所以记得先将这个播放清单加入你的个人中心，订阅我们的 YouTube 频道，以及将此影片和播放清单分享给你的朋友和家人，让你们可以一起放下心中的所有焦虑，专心的开开心心一起长大。
Why is the sand hot? The sand gets hot because the sun shines down on it all day and warms it up. Why is the grass tickly? The grass feels tickly because it has tiny leaves called blades of grass that brush against your skin when you run through it. Why is dirt brown? Dirt is made up of things like decomposed plants and animals, minerals from rocks, and organic matter. Over time, all these natural materials break down and mix together to form the brown color of the soil. Why is the ceiling up high? Houses and buildings are designed with high ceilings, so people have plenty of room to move around inside. High ceilings also help with airflow and keep rooms from feeling cramped. Why do dogs bark? Dogs bark to communicate, to let other dogs know where they are, if they see something unusual, or if they feel threatened. They also bark when playing, greeting people, or simply because they're excited. Why do cats meow? Cats meow to communicate with humans. They meow to get our attention, ask for food, or ask to go outside. They don't meow to each other like they do to people. Why do elephants have long trunks? An elephant's long trunk is very strong and flexible. They use their trunk like an arm to pick things up, grab food and water, spray water or dust over themselves, and even use it to trumpet. The trunk is key to an elephant's survival. Why is the sea salty? The salt in the ocean comes from erosion of rocks on land and from volcanic activity under the ocean floor. Over millions of years, this natural salt has dissolved and accumulated in ocean water. Rainfall does not remove much salt, and it remains highly concentrated in the sea. Why is the soil dirty? Soil contains lots of tiny bits of rocks, dead plants, insects, and animal waste. It looks brown or black because of all the organic material in it from living things that have decomposed over long periods of time. The particles that make up soil give it that earthy, dirt-like appearance. Why do apples grow on trees? Apple trees have evolved specifically to bear fruit. The apples, their flowers are pollinated, and the seeds inside develop into the apples we eat. Trees provide the structure, water, nutrients, and other growing conditions needed for apples to form. Why is the moon rock gray? Rocks and dust dust on the moon are gray because they lack weathering from air and water. They have been exposed to centuries of bombardment from meteorites, but no atmosphere or wind and water erosion to change their original composition over time. Why do rabbits hop? Rabbits hop as a fast and energy-efficient way to travel on land. Their strong rear legs and short front legs are perfectly adapted for this bouncy gait, which allows them to cover distance quickly while also scanning for predators. Hopping conserves more energy than walking or running. Why do dogs have fur? Dog fur or coats protect their skin and regulate body temperature. Different fur lengths and textures suit different climate needs. Fur also protects against bruises, scratches, and infections on their skin, and helps dogs smell and communicate signals from other animals. Why do cats have fur? Just like dogs, cat fur protects their skin. It keeps them warm in cold climates and helps shed moisture in hot climates. Their thick coats also provide camouflage for hiding from predators. Unique fur patterns and textures are part of a cat's beauty and help with sensory communication. Why is sand rough? Individual grains of sand are actually smooth and rounded. When the grains rub together in wind or water, the friction causes the edges to become polished and smooth. However, when you touch a pile of sand, you feel all the individual grains pressed together, giving sand its signature rough texture. Why do my eyes hurt when I'm tired? When you're tired, the muscles around your eyes have to work harder to stay open and focused. Your eyes get strained and begin to feel sore. Blinking less often can also dry your eyes out more. Getting a good night's sleep helps your eye muscles fully relax so they're not overworked when you're awake. Why do babies cry? In the beginning, crying is one of the only ways babies can communicate basic needs like hunger, discomfort, loneliness, and wanting attention. As they grow, babies learn other ways to express themselves. But crying remains an important way to get their needs met and bond with caregivers. Why do I go to school? The school provides an education which allows you to learn new things, discover interests and skills, and prepare for future careers or college. Being in school also helps build important social skills through interaction with other children. Overall, the education received at school shapes you into a well-rounded, successful person. Why do I have to eat vegetables? Vegetables contain many important vitamins, minerals, fiber, and other nutrients that are essential for your growth and health. Different colored vegetables provide different benefits, so eating a variety helps keep your body working properly. While they may not be your favorite, vegetables are good for you. Why is my hair the color it is? Everyone's hair color is determined by the levels and types of melanin pigment cells in their hair follicles. The two main types are brown-black eumelanin and yellow-red pheomelanin. Inherited genes influence how much of each type of melanin is produced, which ultimately decides your natural hair color. Why is snow cold? Snow forms from water vapor that freezes into ice crystals as it rises high into cold regions of the atmosphere. Since ice is the solid form of water, it takes away heat from anything it touches. So it feels very cold to the touch. The temperature needs to be below freezing, 30 °C, for snow to accumulate on the ground. Why do rainbows have colors? Rainbows occur when light interacts with raindrops in the air. White sunlight entering a raindrop is refracted, bent, and dispersed into its spectrum of colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. The raindrops act like prisms to break sunlight into their color components, which combine to make a rainbow arc across the sky. Why is a bee's stinger pointy? A bee's stinger evolved as a defense mechanism against threats. Its barbed tip allows the stinger to penetrate the skin easily, but not exit easily, inflicting more damage to any would-be attackers while delivering venom. Honeybees leave the stinger behind when stinging, meaning they die soon after. But the stinger prevents many threats. Why do stars sparkle at night? Stars appear to twinkle or sparkle due to turbulence and density differences in Earth's atmosphere. Starlight entering our atmosphere passes through regions of varying temperatures, which refract, scatter, and distort the star's point of light. This makes stars seem to be flickering rapidly, but they actually shine steadily. On a clear night with less atmosphere, twinkling is less noticeable. Why does the wind blow? There are a few reasons why the wind blows. Differences in air temperature create differences in air pressure. Warm air rises, and cool air sinks, causing movement. The Earth's rotation causes the deflection of moving air molecules by the Coriolis effect, shaping global wind patterns. Uneven heating of land and water creates pressure differences that drive winds, like sea breezes and monsoon winds. Why does hair grow? Hair grows for protection and insulation. It is made of the protein keratin, which is continuously produced by follicles in the skin. New hair replaces old hair in a cycle. Hair growth is regulated by hormones and genetics. Trimming or shaving only cuts the hair shaft. Follicles keep producing more to replace it over weeks and months. Why do birds have feathers? Feathers evolved to help birds fly, but also served other key functions for survival. Contour feathers trap insulating layers of air to keep birds warm-blooded. Down feathers underneath provide extra insulation. Flight and tail feathers aid propulsion and steer in flight. Colorful plumage attracts mates, and camouflage feathers provide protection from predators. Why do people kiss? Kissing serves an affectionate social function between romantic partners. The biochemistry of kissing, triggering dopamine and oxytocin release, also strengthens emotional bonds. Some scientists believe kissing evolved from grooming behaviors in primates as a way to exchange hormones. And check the compatibility of immune system genes with potential mates. And overall, kissing bonds relationships and families. is skin soft and hair prickly? Skin feels soft and smooth because its outer layer is made of dead cells that have lost their nuclei and organelles, giving it a squishy texture. Hair feels prickly because it is made of keratin, a tough protein. Tiny scales along the hair shaft give each strand roughness that feels spiky when you run your fingers against the grain of growth. Enjoyed this episode of our 100,000 Whys series. If you've learned something, hit the like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, add this playlist to your account, and share this video and playlist with your friends and family so you can all learn and grow together.
如果你在这一集的10万个为什么英文系列学到了很多知识和英文，记得订阅我们的 YouTube 频道，将此影片和播放清单加入你的个人中心，以及分享给你的朋友和家人。我们下一集见。